As part of payroll preparation, creating and maintaining accurate employee records is essential. In this segment, we walk through the process of creating an employee within TTPay, ensuring that all required information is captured for seamless payroll processing. To begin, navigate to the Setup menu. Select Employee and open the Employee Profile screen. From here, click the New or Plus button to create a new employee record. A dialog box appears allowing you to enter the employee's details. In this example, we create a new employee, Mike Johnson. Enter key information including date of birth, address and contact details, email address, salary and pay frequency, job title, branch, and work group. You can also capture statutory identifiers such as BIR numbers and define the employee's status, whether permanent, temporary, contractual, or on probation. Next, define the employee's payment method. TTPay supports payment via cash, check, or direct bank deposit. For bank payments, simply select the bank, choose the branch, and enter the account number. Finally, record the employee's hire date to complete the core setup. Once all information is entered, confirm the details by selecting I checked the information. The Create button becomes active. Click Create. Once auto-numbering is enabled, TTPay generates the employee record along with a unique employee reference code. You can verify the entry by locating the employee in the list and opening their profile. All previously entered details are now stored and available for further updates or review. Additional information such as gender, marital status, and emergency contacts can also be recorded here. If your organization uses time and attendance systems, you can link the employee profile using a time clock ID reference, ensuring seamless integration between attendance tracking and payroll processing. The Earnings tab reflects the employee's base salary, which was entered during setup. Additional recurring earnings such as allowances can also be added. For example, a monthly phone allowance can be configured to automatically apply every pay cycle. Similarly, the Deductions tab allows you to assign recurring deductions. For instance, a group health plan deduction can be defined with a fixed amount, automatically applied each month and reflected in the payroll worksheet. TTPay also supports enhanced employee record management. You can upload employee photos, store permits, track requests, and maintain education records, creating a comprehensive employee profile within a single system. Creating an employee in TTPay is simple, structured, and fully integrated with your payroll workflow. With accurate employee data in place, your organization is now ready to move forward confidently into payroll processing. TTPay. Simply better payroll.